Good morning. Today, let us begin our day with invoking the energy of faith. We are sitting in a comfortable position on our bed, in a chair, or the floor with our back rested and relaxed, our hands on our knees. We close our eyes and take a deep cleansing breath in and out of our nose. When we hear the bell, we bring our hands together in prayer. Today we invoke the energy of Meera, the poetess saint who lived her life with unwavering faith. There are days when some of us wake up with a feeling of restlessness, when things are not working the way we want. There seems to be a roadblock whichever way we look. We feel a lack of alignment in our lives. A feeling of doubt starts creeping in. Are the powers, the forces I pray to still with me? Have I been abandoned? We know that this is not a true feeling. Just as the clouds obscure the light of the sun momentarily, it is our own uncertainty that is clouding the blessings of the divine. We pray for this energy to embrace us again, like a parent reassuring a child, to dissipate these clouds like strong gusts of wind and help us behold the light of the divine. We will carry this feeling of restored faith with us throughout the day. When we hear the bell, we bring our mind to the present. We place our hands on our knees and slowly open our eyes. We are ready to face this new day. Namaste.